Hello and welcome to this Item UI tutorial. Today I will show you how to import product and inventory. This video is going to show you how to upload an item and also inventory. Go to Module, Admin, and on the left-hand side, Import Data, then Import Item. On the top right-hand corner, there is a template download. We have 3 different templates: the simplified version and the more detailed version. For this video, I'll just do Item Template 3.0, the basic item template. Go ahead and download that. This is what the template looks like. As you can see, some columns are highlighted. They are all required, and some of them are just optional information that you can upload. The first one is going to be either add or update the item. Then this is the customer ID. If you don't know how to find your customer ID, you can get that information from Organization. Under Organization, this is the customer ID. Go back to the form. Let's just create an item. I'll go and input cup and red. The tags right here, we have different tags. We have product, material, and asset. Another one that is required is the base UOM. For this one, I will do each. Once you're done, just make sure you save and then go back to the import page. Import the file and click on Submit. It does give you an error message, but you can ignore it. Let's go check on the item. Go to Item List and refresh. This is the item that we just imported. Now we can import our inventory for this item. Go to Import Inventory. Download the template and open it. The template's going to look like this. The item ID is the one that the system generated for that item. For this one, it's going to be item 124. Put in the goods type, the status, and quantity, UOM, and the location. Right here, it's asking for the LP. To get the LP, you have to manually create it. To create the LP, go to Inventory, Create License Plate. Right here, just input 1 LP. Pick any location to bring it to. For inventory, you have to select ILP, which means it's Inventory License Plate, and click Create LP. Copy this information. Go back to the form. Input that number in here. Put in the location and the customer and save. When you go back to the import page and upload that template, right here, you do have to remove all the unnecessary information, just keeping the actual item, and then submit. Once it's saved, you can check on the inventory. So that's cup and red. You see it uploaded 123 quantity from this LP in this location. Thanks for watching. If you would like to learn more about other item applications, please take a look at our expansive library of tutorial content.